Why is everyone failing at Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2026? And, well, how can you actually succeed? Did you know that over 80% of new Pinterest affiliate marketers are failing to earn a single dollar in 2026? That's right. Despite the endless promises of easy money and overnight success, the vast majority of beginners are left feeling frustrated, confused, and even defeated. They pour hours into creating pins, researching products, and following advice from so-called gurus, only to watch their efforts go unrewarded. The numbers are staggering and the disappointment is real. But why is this happening? What's causing so many people to stumble at the very first hurdle? What if I told you it's not about the product you promote, but rather the strategy you use? Most people think that finding the perfect product is the secret to success. But in reality, it's the approach, the planning, and the execution that make all the difference. The most successful affiliate marketers aren't just lucky. They're strategic, creative, and willing to adapt when things don't go as planned. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal the shocking truths behind this phenomenon and how you can flip the script and seize success while everyone else is stuck in the mud. You'll discover the hidden pitfalls that trip up most beginners, the proven tactics that actually work, and the mindset shifts you need to break free from the cycle of failure. If you're ready to leave frustration behind and finally start seeing real results, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Pinterest has long been known as a goldmine for affiliate marketing, with millions of users seeking inspiration for various products and ideas. It's a platform brimming with potential profits. But here's the reality check. Many marketers are misstepping right out of the gate. So what's going wrong? Before we dive deep, let's quickly cover what Pinterest affiliate marketing really is. At its core, it's about promoting products, usually through affiliate links, which earn you a commission for every sale made through your referral. Seems simple enough, right? Yet the failure rates are alarming. It's surprising how many marketers overlook the importance of building a consistent brand identity. Without a clear and recognizable presence, it's easy for your business to get lost in the crowd. Many brands struggle to stand out because their messaging, visuals, and overall style are all over the place, making it difficult for audiences to remember or trust them. Imagine scrolling through Pinterest and seeing a jumble of pins, each one with different colors, fonts, and design styles. There's no sense of unity or purpose. Instead of drawing you in, this inconsistency leaves you feeling confused and disconnected. It's hard to know what the brand stands for, or even if the pins are from the same creator. Think of your brand as your signature, something unique and instantly recognizable. When your branding is consistent, it builds trust and credibility. People start to associate certain colors, fonts, and styles with your business, making it easier for them to remember you and feel confident in what you offer. To achieve this, choose a color palette that reflects your brand's personality. Select a couple of fonts that work well together and stick to them across all your content. These visual elements should be present in everything you create, from your Pinterest pins to your website and marketing materials. Develop a general style that speaks to your niche and audience. This could mean using certain imagery, patterns, or layouts that reinforce your brand's message and values. Having a style guide can help you stay on track and ensure every piece of content feels like it belongs to your brand. Remember, consistent branding isn't just about looking good, it's about creating a memorable and trustworthy experience for your audience. When people recognize your brand instantly, they're more likely to engage, follow, and become loyal fans. Did you know Pinterest is a search engine? And like any good SEO strategy, you need to craft irresistible copy that includes relevant keywords so that your pins surface during user searches. Many marketers ignore this entirely, opting instead for vague descriptions like, "Check this out." You want to create rich, keyword-stuffed pin descriptions that help your content shine. Let me ask you a quick question. What's the first thing you notice when you're scrolling through countless pins? You guessed it, the image. So, What can you do to make sure your pins stand out? Let's break it down. One of the biggest reasons so many people struggle to get attention online is the quality of their visuals. In today's fast-paced digital world, you only have a split second to make a strong impression, and if your images or graphics look unprofessional, outdated, or just plain boring, your audience will scroll right past without a second thought. Bad thumbnails and low-quality images don't just get overlooked, they're actively ignored. People are bombarded with content every day, and if your visuals don't stand out, you're basically invisible. It doesn't matter how great your message is if no one stops to look at it. That's why it's so important to invest in high-quality images or graphics. Whether you're using your own photos, stock images, or custom illustrations, make sure they're sharp, vibrant, and relevant to your brand. Good visuals instantly communicate professionalism and grab attention. Take advantage of tools like Canva, which offers a huge range of templates you can easily customize to fit your brand's style and message. Consistent, well-designed graphics help build recognition and trust with your audience. Don't be afraid to use photo editing apps or design tools to enhance your images. Even small tweaks, like adjusting brightness, adding filters, or overlaying text, can make a huge difference in how your visuals are perceived. Think of it like this. A car that shines and catches the light is far more likely to get noticed and taken for a test drive. The same goes for your visuals. Make them shine, and people will want to engage with your content. Another major key to success is storytelling. Pins featuring stories or experiences perform better than pure sales pitches. Why? Because people relate to stories. Create a narrative around the products you promote. Share before and after stories, case studies, and even testimonials. Understand your audience's sentiment and link it to the products you're promoting. Did you know that engagement is a two-way street? Many marketers treat Pinterest as a one-way advertisement stream, sharing their links but never interacting with their audience. Answer comments, respond to messages, and engage with other users' content. This builds community and growing relationships and can help elevate your visibility on the platform. Right, so grab a pen and paper, or maybe just open your Notes app. Let's perform a quick audit of your current Pinterest strategy. On a scale of 1 to 10, how engaging is your content? Go ahead and give yourself an honest rating. Many people still associate Pinterest mostly with simple arts and crafts, but honestly, it serves a plethora of niches: fashion, travel, cooking, and so much more. You really should capitalize on seasonal trends. Think ahead: holiday seasons, back to school, summer fashion, and curate pins that are relevant to these times. Fostering timely conversations can absolutely skyrocket your engagement levels. So, what else is crucial? Well, creativity. Pinterest isn't just a repository for product ads. It really thrives on creativity and inspiration. You've got to think outside the box. Host challenges, run contests, or create themed boards that can pique interest and encourage sharing. It's all about standing out. Be the unicorn in a field of horses. Every pin should have a purpose, yet many forget to include clear and compelling calls to action. Something as simple as "click to shop this look" or "try this recipe today" can make all the difference. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.